good morning. So we are here at Faculty of Law, University of Cape Town, and I'm standing here with three of my students, though there are 40 of them. But then I thought let's inquire from them how's the lecture going on. So I'll start from Om, one of my most sincere student. So Om, please speak about how's the lecture, how's your experience going on.
We discussed with Professor Mehta about the apartheid system and how the system evolved and what all things have been the sufferings of the South Africans and how they evolved from the procedures. Those were really insightful.